Dear students, today we will start the reactivity of alkyl halide, aryl halide, vinyl, aryl and benzyl. First we have to write down this formula for these compounds, then how this reaction that takes place, or how that chlorine, the benzene that remains inert towards the chemicals. So first we will see what are the reactivity. Very important short question which will carry 2 marks, that is reactivity of alkyl halide, aryl halide etc. Reactivity of alkyl, aryl, vinyl, allyl and benzyl halides. So reactivity of alkyl halides, aryl halides, vinyl halides, allyl halides and benzyl halides towards nucleophilic substitution reaction will go one by one, but before going to that we have to write down the formula for these compounds, we have to maintain that is resonating structure for these compounds, and then we have to explain regarding that reactivity. Alkyl halide, for example, CH3, CH2, Cl, that is alkyl halide. Then that is vinyl, CH2 double bond CH bond Cl, vinyl. We can take that is allyl, CH2 double bond CH bond CH2 Cl, that is allyl. Next one, that is benzyl, benzene ring that contains that is chlorine, chlorobenzene. Or you can take that is benzyl halide, benzene ring, that the chlorobenzene, we have cited that chlorobenzene. Or if you convert this compound to benzyl, that is CH2Cl, benzyl chloride, chlorobenzene, benzene ring that contains that is chlorine. This is alkyl halide, chloride, alkyl, allyl, that is vinyl, that is benzyl, this is your vinyl, this is aryl. We have to divide this into 2 sets, this one set and other these 3 are the another set. So in this case, chlorine is attached to this carbon atom, chlorine is attached to that carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. In this case also chlorine is attached to that carbon atom which is also sp2 hybridized carbon atom. In this case, in case of alkyl halide, chlorine atom is attached to that carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized, sp3. In this case also sp3, in this case also that is sp3 hybridized. So if we will analyze regarding this resonating structures, the chlorine atom that contain lone pair of electrons, in this case, chlorine atom that contain lone pair of electrons, chlorine atom that contain lone pair of electrons, and this lone pair of electrons are in conjugation with that of the ring. So resonance that takes place. So this is alkyl, this is allyl, that is allyl, CH2 double bond CH2 group, that is allyl group. This is benzyl, this is your vinyl, this is aryl. If we write down this resonating structure for that vinyl, CH2 double bond CH bond Cl, chlorine atom that contain lone pair of electron. So this lone pair of electron that is in conjugation with the ring, that is that of the chain. So lone pair of electron is shifted to bond. This bond will be shifted to next atom. So that the formation of CH2 minus bond CH double bond Cl, that is plus. So in this case, there is the development of carbon to chlorine double bond character. In this case, there is the development of carbon to chlorine double bond character. And if we draw the resonating structure of that chlorobenzene, already we have done these structures. Resonating structure of the chlorobenzene. Lone pair electron, bond is shifted to next atom. In this case also, there is the development of carbon to chlorine double bond character. Resonance is going on. If we mark the middle three structures, there is carbon to chlorine double bond character. Mark these three structures. Carbon chlorine double bond, double bond, double bond. In this case, carbon chlorine double bond. So because of resonance, there is the development of carbon to chlorine double bond character. So if we analyze regarding the reactivity of this, the reactivity that can be explained on the basis of hybridization. So in this case, carbon atom, that is sp2 hybridize, that is sp2 hybridize. So first we will explain on the basis of that hybridization. On the basis of hybridization, carbon atom is sp2 hybridized, carbon atom, that is sp2 hybridized. In this case, carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. So that is having S character 33.3%. Carbon carbon, second point, carbon 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 chlorine double bond character, carbon chlorine double bond character, that is the bond length, that is found to be 1.68 angstrom. 1.68 angstrom. So if we will explain regarding the reactivity of this, in this case carbon atom is sp2 hybridized, means S character is 33.3%. We know higher is the S character, higher is the penetration power towards the nucleus. S character is more means that is more penetrated towards nucleus, means bond strength will increase. Bond strength will increase because of higher S character. And moreover, in this case, there is the development of carbon chlorine double bond character. Bond length will decrease. Bond length, that is 1.68 angstrom. Bond length will decrease. So because of decrease in bond length and increase in bond strength increases. There is the development of double bond character. Bond length decreases, bond strength increases, and moreover, the higher is the S character. In this case, S character is maximum, therefore the bond strength that becomes more. And in this case, the chlorine atom which is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, in case of vinyl or in case of allyl, that is inert. That is inert towards nucleophilic substitution reaction, because the bond strength is more. That the development of double bond character, bond strength is more, S character is more, bond length is less, therefore bond strength that becomes more. Development of double bond character, bond length decreases, bond strength increases, and moreover it is having higher S character where it is having more penetration power towards nucleus, means bond strength of that carbon chlorine in case of vinyl, carbon chlorine bond strength, and in case of aryl, carbon chlorine bond strength, that will increase. So the increase in bond strength that decreases the reactivity of chlorine atom. Therefore, chlorine atom is treated as inert, that is inert towards nucleophilic substitution. Again, you will take the examples of that alkyl halide. You will take the example of alkyl halide. Lone pair of electrons that is present over the chlorine atom. lone paraphyleton that is present over the chlorine atom. In this case, lone paraphyleton present over the chlorine atom, but because there is no such conjugation, since there is no such conjugation, there is no chance of development of carbon-chlorine double bond character. In this case, there is no development of carbon-chlorine double bond. Carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. In this case, carbon atom, this is meant for them, that is alkyl and that is vinyl and aryl, you can say, this is. But we will take the case of that is alkyl, allyl and benzyl. In all these three cases, the carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. In this case, carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. Carbon atom sp3 hybridized, AS character 25%. Mark it. In this case 33.3%, but in this case that 25%, less percentage. And bond length carbon to carbon, carbon to chlorine bond length, that is carbon to chlorine bond length, that is 1.8 angstrom. In this case 1.68 angstrom, but in this case 1.8 angstrom. So if we will consider the case of alkyl, allyl or benzyl, the chlorine atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom where AS character is less. Penetration power towards nucleus is less, means bond strength is less, and moreover because of no resonance, there is no such resonance due to lack of conjugation, carbon chlorine bond length, that is 1.8, because it is always a single bond. There is no chance of development of double bond character due to lack of conjugation. In this case there is no such conjugation, no resonance, no development of carbon chlorine double bond character. So because of that reason, the bond length that is found to 1.8. In this case 1.68. Higher is the bond length, lesser is the bond strength, more will be reactivity. Higher is the S character, higher is the S character, higher is the penetration power towards nucleus, the bond strength will increase and reactivity will decrease. So the reactivity of alkyl halide, aryl halide, vinyl, allyl and benzyl halides, that can be explained on the basis of, that is hybridization, resonance, which helps for the development of double bond character, and also the bond length. So higher is the bond length, lesser is the bond strength, higher is the bond length, lesser is the bond strength, and more will be its reactivity. Higher is the S character, that is penetration power towards nucleus, that will be more, bond strength will be more, then reactivity will be less. If there is conjugation, then there is a chance of development of, that is carbon chlorine double bond character, means bond strength that will increase, reactivity will decrease. For example, if we take the examples of this kind, that is CH3, CH2, Cl plus KOH. At ordinary condition, the KOH aqueous. I am citing these examples at ordinary conditions. CH3, CH2Cl, KOH aqueous. That is aqueous KOH that has been given. Aqueous KOH that is given. So the formation of CH3, CH2, OH plus KCl. This reaction that takes place. Because in this case carbon chlorine bond is always a single bond. Carbon chlorine bond is always a single bond. sp3 hybridized carbon atom, bond length is 1.8, more bond length, bond strength is less, reactive that becomes more. Means chlorine atom can easily replaced by that nucleophile OH minus. Similarly, if we take, that is benzyl, that is CH2Cl plus KOH aqueous, that gives rise to benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol CH2OH, benzyl alcohol. This reaction that takes place. But if we take the examples of this kind, CH2, that is vinyl, CH2 double bond CH bond Cl, that has been treated with KOH, that is aqueous. KOH aqueous, CH2 double bond CHCl, KOH aqueous, K plus OH minus. In this case, this chlorine atom cannot be replaced by that nucleophile OH. Why? This chlorine atom cannot be, under normal condition, the chlorine atom cannot be easily replaced by that OH minus. Why it cannot be replaced? Because in this case, due to resonance, there is the development of carbon chlorine double bond character, which we have cited. That the development of carbon chlorine double bond character, this bond will be shifted. Double bond character that has been developed means the bond strength that becomes more. Bond length that becomes 1.68 angstrom. sp2 hybridized. S character that is 33.3%. Development of carbon chlorine double bond. That is double bond. Double bond. Therefore, the bond strength that becomes more, and chlorine atom cannot be easily replaced by that OH under normal condition, that is no action. No action under normal condition. If similarly, if we take the examples of that, that is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene, for example, NaOH, chlorobenzene. So because of conjugation, resonance that takes place, and there is the development of carbon chlorine double bond, same reason. There is the development of carbon chlorine double bond character, bond length will decrease to 1.68, sp2 hybridized carbon atom, S character is more, therefore carbon chlorine bond strength is more. Therefore the chlorine atom cannot be easily replaced by that OH group, therefore that is no action. There is no such action, no action. So if this compound that has been treated with NaOH, if we want to carry out that reaction, then this reaction that can be carried out only NaOH at 630 Kelvin, 280 mRK. What amount of temperature and pressure that is required to carry out that reaction? Normally this reaction do not occur because the chlorine atom is inert. Because wherefore it is inert? Because there is the development of carbon chlorine double bond strength will increase, bond length will decrease because of resonance, and S character is more, that is about 33.3%. But if you want to carry out that reaction, then that reaction will be carried out under drastic condition. This is the drastic condition that is applied. So the chlorine atom will get replaced by, that is OH, phenol. The temperature 630 Kelvin, high temperature, high pressure, 630 Kelvin, normally no reaction. But if you apply the temperature about 630 Kelvin and 280 m pressure, this reaction will take place where the chlorine atom will get replaced by that OH, that is Dawes process. Dawes process for manufacture that phenol from chlorobenzene. So this reaction that clearly explained regarding that inert nature of that chlorine atom in, that is chlorobenzene, that is aryl halide. Vinyl halide, vinyl chloride and chlorobenzene, they are inert towards this nucleophilic substitution. Chlorine atom cannot be easily replaced by that nucleophile. If you want to carry out that reaction, then that will carry out under drastic condition. But if you will take the case of that alkyl halide, or that is benzyl, or you will take that is allyl halide, in those particular cases, the chlorine atom that can easily replaced by, that is nucleophile OH. So this is regarding, that is nucleophilic substitution reaction that taking place, or the reactivity of alkyl, aryl, vinyl, allyl and benzyl halide towards nucleophilic substitution. Broadly we have divided this reacting species in two sets, that is having sp3 chlorine atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom and chlorine atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. If it is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, S characteristic is less, no resonance is taking place, carbon chlorine bond length is more, therefore there the bond strength is less and reactivity is more, where the chlorine atom can easily replaced by that nucleophile like Cn minus, NH2 minus or OH minus, etc. That is the reaction that taking place in case of alkyl, that is allyl, and in case of benzyl. But if you take the case of that is vinyl or allyl, so that is aryl, vinyl and allyl, so that is chlorobenzene, allyl, that is not allyl, that is your aryl, aryl halide, vinyl halide or aryl halide. Then in this case chlorine atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, higher S character, then bond strength that becomes more because bond length is 1.68, bond strength that becomes more, bond length is less, S characteristics that is 33.3%, S characteristic that is 33.3% means more penetration power towards nucleus, therefore carbon chlorine bond that becomes more strengthened bond, where chlorine atom cannot be easily replaced by that nucleophiles like OH, NH2, etc. But if you want to replace this chlorine atom by nucleophile, we have to apply the Drusty conditions, just like the Dawes process which we have explained in this case. Dawes process which we have explained, that is chlorine atom that is attached to the benzene, that is chlorobenzene, that is the development of carbon chlorine double bond character. If that has been treated with NaOH at 630 Kelvin, normally no reaction, if that is applied a temperature of 630 Kelvin and 200 atm pressure, then only the chlorine atom can be replaced by that OH. So this is regarding the reactivity of alkyl, aryl, vinyl, allyl, benzyl towards nucleophilic substitution. This is very important. This question that carries 2 marks, and even if 3 marks, that will carry 3 marks. So we have to explain the reactivity on the basis of hybridization, on the basis of bond length, on the basis of resonance, that is development of carbon chlorine double bond character. So this is regarding that reactivity. In the next class we will explain regarding that is nucleophilic, how that nucleophilic substitution reaction under Drusty condition that takes place in case of that is chlorobenzene, just like the Dawes process, or that is benzene mechanism, etc. So thank you all.